Sales or multi-billion sales.
The original blueprint, how God created us, is still the same. But let's go back to original purpose, how God created you. You're created to rule.
Darating ka talaga kung saan ka dapat. Kayo ngayon, marahil, biting din kayo kung saan man, nasa gitna ng problema. Malulungkot kayo, madedepress kayo, sigurado yan. Hindi mahirap magbenta if you keep showing up.
So can you imagine yung domino effect ng pagtaas ng presyo ng krudo, presyo ng pangunahing bilihin. Kailangan natin intindihin yan. Kailangan natin i-connect doon sa takbo ng ating negosyo. Sigurado po, hindi titigil ang pagninegosyo. Sa ating mga talagang nakatutok dito sa crisis na to ay lalo pang lalawak, dadami ang ating opportunity.
Imagine that everything that you do prospers because of God, because of your relationship with Him, because of abundance. And that's the original blueprint why He created you. You are not drifting by problems or by fear. You have a foundation. And again, that foundation is Christ Himself. You are not alone. You're not abandoned. You are not lost. He holds you. He loves you. Again, He has a great plan for you.